Children, in the previous class we have learned information processing. Today we are going to learn symmetry and line of symmetry. Children, let us recall the 2D and 3D shapes.
Children, you have learnt about plane and solid shapes. Let us now revise and consolidate our knowledge. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. So it is also known as two-dimensional or a 2D shape. Square. A square has four sides. All the sides of a square are equal. A square has four vertices. Rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. It has four vertices. Triangle. A triangle has three sides. It has three vertices or corners. Circle. A circle has no vertex. It is a closed loop. It can be traced with a 1 rupee coin, carom coins, etc. Children, now let us know about some solid shapes. Solid shapes have three measurements: length, breadth and height. So a solid shape is also known as three-dimensional or 3D shapes. Solids have faces, edges and vertices. Some of the shapes of solids are: look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cuboid. A cuboid has 12 edges. The point where three edges meet is called a vertex. A cuboid has 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces. In the given figure, 3 faces are visible and 3 are hidden. Count the faces of your book. It has 6 faces. 1 front face, 1 back face, 1 top face, 1 bottom face and 2 side faces. Look at the shapes of objects shown here. All these objects have the shape of a cube. The die with which you play is a cube. A cube has 8 vertices, 12 edges and 6 faces. Children, we have seen all the objects shown here in our daily life. All these objects have the shape of a cylinder. A cylinder has no vertices. It has 2 curved edges and 3 faces. One face of a cylinder is a curved face. 2 faces, that is the top and bottom of a cylinder, are flat. Children, now take a look at the shapes of the objects shown here. Each one of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has one curved face. It has no vertex and no edge. Children, now look at these familiar objects. All these objects have the shape of a cone. A cone has one vertex and it has one curved edge. It has two faces, one curved face and one flat face. All solid figures have three different views: top view, front view and side view.
In our day-to-day activity, we see many leaves of plants, blades and wings of butterflies. The figures, which can be divided into two parts of equal shape and size, are called symmetrical figures. Now we can learn symmetry. Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another. One shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in the same way. When you move it in the same way, turn, flips or slide, you will get symmetry. Example, we can take square shape. Look at here. If you turn also, what you will get? You will get square shape. We can create symmetrical shapes using paper and ink. Look at this shape. What shape is this? This is a triangle. This is a triangle. When I fold this shape, exactly, we will get two half. We will get same two half. This shape is called what? Symmetrical shapes. Children, so symmetrical shapes, if a shape can be folded or divided into two halves, so that the two halves match exactly, then such a shape is called a symmetrical shapes. Example, smiley face, triangle, lotus and can. Children, now we can learn about line of symmetry. One half of the shape is exactly like the other half. One half of the shape is exactly like the other half. The line which divides the figure into two halves. The line which divides the figure into two halves is called the line of symmetry. Now we can draw the line of symmetry. Look at here. Picture divides equally one half, other half. The line is called what? Line of symmetry. Next, triangle. In this triangle, we can draw the center line. It is called what? Line of symmetry. Lotus. Next part. So, these lines are called what? Line of symmetry. Children, now we can draw the line of symmetry. What is line of symmetry? We have to draw the line to make a picture two half. Look at here. Here square is given. We have to draw the line of symmetry center. We have to draw using ruler and we have to draw the line. So it's became what? Line of symmetry. Here in alphabet A, so we have to draw the line of symmetry in A. So A has line of symmetry. So next B alphabet, we can't draw line in vertical. So horizontal line of symmetry. We have to draw the horizontal line of symmetry. In C also same way, horizontal line of symmetry. D also. E also. In flower, we have to draw the vertical line of symmetry. Draw the other half from line of symmetry to make it symmetrical. What is symmetrical shape? A shape can be divided into two equal halves. It is called symmetrical. So here one part half is given. We have to draw another half. Look at here. First, next, equally we have to draw the shapes. Here the given triangle. So next another part.
So it becomes whole shape. The following letters are symmetric and have line of symmetry. The following letters are non-symmetric and does not have line of symmetry.
Look at these figures. The line you can see is the line of symmetry of these figures. Line of symmetry, what is that? When we fold the figure about this line of symmetry, we will see that the two parts of the figure is coinciding. Let's take this figure now. When we fold this figure from the center, we will see that the two parts. Priya, can you now identify the line of symmetry in these designs? I will try. In this figure, this is the line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. How? When we fold this design this way, the two parts so formed will coincide. So this is the line of symmetry. Good, you have learnt now. And in these figures, these are the lines of symmetry. Now I will tell you about lines of symmetry in regular polygons. Do you know what a regular polygon is? It is a closed figure made up of several line segments. And triangle is a polygon made up of at least 3 line segments. You are right. And a regular polygon is one whose all the line segments are equal and the measures of all the angles are equal. Therefore, a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular pentagon, a regular hexagon are the examples of regular polygons. There all the sides are equal and the measures of their angles are also equal. Are the regular polygons equal? Yes, the regular polygons are symmetrical figures and have many lines of symmetry. Look at these figures. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. And a regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. A shape has line of symmetry when one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Now let's check whether the line drawn on A is the line of symmetry or not. We take its one half and place it in front of mirror. Wow! Its one half is equal to the other half. This means that this is the line of symmetry. Let's play a game now. Which game? Punching game. In this game, we will fold these papers and punch a hole. This is so simple. Now open these papers. We can see 2 holes which are symmetric. The fold is a line of symmetry.
Now we can learn symmetry in geometrical shapes. Look at here. What shape is this? This is a square. This is a square. Now we can draw the line of symmetry. First, square has 1, 2, 3 and 4. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. Square has 4 lines of symmetry. This is a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. 1, then 2. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. This is a circle. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. We can draw many lines of symmetry. 1. We can draw many lines of symmetry passing through the center. Many lines of symmetry. Circle has many lines of symmetry. So children, square has 4 lines of symmetry. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Circle has infinite lines of symmetry. These are triangles. First one is the equilateral triangle, scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. First we can draw line of symmetry for equilateral triangle. First, equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal. So we can draw 3 lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides are equal. So we can draw 3 lines of symmetry. 3 lines of symmetry. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A scalene triangle has no lines of symmetry because here all 3 sides are different. 3 sides are different. So we can't draw the line of symmetry. Last one, an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means 2 sides are equal. That means 2 sides are equal. 2 sides are equal. So we can draw 1 line of symmetry. We can draw 1 line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. Children, once again, an equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. Scalene triangle has no line of symmetry. And isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry.
Children, now we can do symmetrical shapes by using paper. Now we can create symmetrical shapes using thumbprint and watercolor. Children, today we have learned 2D and 3D shapes, symmetry and line of symmetry, symmetry in geometrical shapes. Copy these in your term book. Thank you, children.